very good, or start-stop technique, Kegels, there are a lot of maneuvers. And relaxation, breathing exercise, they are very good. Sir, never tried.
I have
Actually,
used a
sir, actually, nowadays, nowadays we work on modern medicine. I always and always prefer latest medicine due to least side effect and best efficacy. So I never tried it. Trazodone. Sir, I never tried in my life.
Sir, any comment on the herbal medication which are quite easily available in the market?
They are sometimes they are very good. Like L-arginine is very good. Coenzyme Q10 is sometimes very good. Actually, the problem is frequently patient comes with a complaint of fatigue, tiredness, um, different body aches and everything. So it's a good to start with the herbal medication, no side effect. Important is patient की pocket कितना allow करती है, and what is your attitude. अगर मेरी बात करूं, obviously I always and always try to add something.
Thank you.
Sir, ideally, I very clearly I explain to the patient that your treatment will be from 6 months to 12 months minimum. अगर symptoms cure नहीं होता है, slowly we will withdraw all the medicine and we may continue a single medicine. Paroxetine की बात करें, it's a very safe medicine. आप lifelong भी दे सकते हो उसको. But simultaneously we start with some techniques. जैसे जैसे टेक्निक से उसको बेनिफिट होता चला जाता है, धीरे धीरे टेपर डाउन करते चले जाते हैं. Suppose the patient is stable on 25 mg, go for 12.5 mg, then go for 10 mg, then half tablet of 10 mg, then alternate days, then you can stop.
with erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. They don't come individually, lesser number. Most of them they come
Sir,
with both the complaints.
because I am working as a sexologist, so I am getting good number of patients. Hardly 10% patients are, or less than 10% patients are coming with ED and PME in my clinic. In my clinic, people are very different. For PME, they are different. People for ED, they are different. Your case, in your whatever you are,
How do we go about it then? In case?
then
No, when
it is in older age. The people who are more than
Okay.
50 or
No.
60,
Uh,
then they are having the problem, because actually problem is ED, and
Yeah.
they are having very sex is very rare, so they are very high arousability. So whenever they try to do, they discharge. So there is basic problem is
Yeah,
ED,
yeah,
not
yeah.
PME.
No, at
That's
the
why
age
this
of,
is important.
you are correct. At the age of 40, 45, patients comes as, their complaint will be premature ejaculation. Actual criteria will be erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction at the age of 45 is presented as PME. That much only. Then if you are giving even sildenafil or tadalafil, it will work for premature ejaculation.
Another important, actually people are not able to differentiate whether this is ED or PME. What they say is कि सर मैं वाइफ के पास जाता हूँ, हो जाता है और उसके बाद रेडी नहीं होता है. So the problem is PME, that is not ED, because once he discharged, but that we have to clear from the patient.
Yeah.
That combination is a tadalafil depoxetine combination. But as one of the colleagues asked about the herbal medicines about PME. See, the herbal medicines of the PME, there are no herbal medicines for PME. What they are giving is piper and longum, jo kali mirch wala combination hai. That is not working for PME. Mainly, as Dr. Ajayan sir and Akhil told, these patients, they have a combination of ED and PME together. Main problem is primary ED, which is reflecting as a secondary PME, because ED is there, they are self-stimulating, stimulating, and once they reach that erection point, now the point has come for the ejaculation. The problem is mainly primary ED and a secondary PME.
Yeah.
For these people,
Correct.
these tadalafil, as I told, tadalafil and sildenafil are working. Regarding the herbal medicines, they have a good role in the ED part. In the PME part, we have not seen any good results. The patient will come to you and he will say, sir, can I take this? Mostly in the North India part,
there are some balms which are coming. We also got to know from the patient itself some tiger balms, and although patient will say, sir, can I apply this? Please tell them stop using these type of balms because they are in the later on life they can cause the irritant ballonoprosthitis. Patient will come as an irritant ballonoprosthitis. Please tell them not to use these herbal medicines local. Oral, whatever they want, they can take. They will take in spite of your saying no, they will take those herbal remedies orally. But locally, you have to stop them.
And what about cannabis? Well, you told cannabis is a treatment part for this thing, premature ejaculation, in Ayurvedic medicine.
It's been taken from long
Cannabis
time.
can help.
In Rajasthan or in Punjab, many people are using opium and cannabis to delay their ejaculation.
Yeah.
And one important thing, in our old era, अभी भी still गाँव में लोग ना शादी के time males के लिए लड्डू बनाए जाते हैं before marriage. That include all the medicines and kali mirch and everything, because they increase sexual desire. Somehow they feel, or they might increase stamina, they might increase erection and multiple things. Means मैं ये नहीं कहता हूँ कि हर्बल का कोई फायदा नहीं है. There may be or may not be. It depends. Again, it depends कि patient की pocket क्या allow करती है. Because आप नहीं prescribe करोगे तो भी वो कुछ ना कुछ लेगा. It's better to give some better thing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Many.
Yeah.
That is very common in the Mewat area. Very common in the Mewat area.
What is
But
that kind of practice is going on, and what are the side effects we have observed in our practice because of
I
this
have
patti
seen
treatment?
2 patients with full of pus and multiple wounds because of that putty. वो गरम पट्टी पता नहीं क्या लेप लगाते हैं
No, one
और तो
ring
पूरा
is there.
wounds healing.
that is a counter irritant. It should not be used.
Someone give them rings also. Then I have removed one ring, like at the root of penis.
Sir, as we talk कि herbal की तरह nutrition का भी रोल है. See. Sir, yes.
Methi
Vitamin
dana has
B12,
got its own role.
vitamin
Methi
D3,
dana.
Because we says that top to bottom, B12, B9 and D3 is very essential. और मैं frequently B12 injections देता हूँ मेरे patients को. B12 देता हूँ, D3 देता हूँ, B9 supplement देता हूँ, and they improve. B6, B9, B12 का combination भी आता है. It's a very good medicine. I am very frequent.
And
क्योंकि
fenugreek,
ultimately B12 आपकी body की overall performance को बढ़ाता है. Tiredness को कम करेगा तो sexual performance को भी
and fenugreek improves testosterone level also.
Methi dana is a very good for a sexual stimulant.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So now I would invite Dr. Alka ma'am to please felicitate Dr. Akhil sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And after this, I would invite all the faculties and committee members to come on the stage for a group photo. After just after this, so I would request all the faculties and committee members.
I request all the committee members and faculty members to kindly come on the stage for a group photo. And we'll break for lunch. We'll have a lunch for 30 minutes. At sharp 2 p.m. we'll start with the session again. Those who are willing to check out from the hotel, kindly do it in the lunchtime, as we'll have back-to-back sessions after lunch, and there are more interesting topics and sessions coming up. So please have a lot of lunch, but be ready for a very exciting session after lunch.